So if we look at this, right, beyond academia, we are helping children suffering lifelong consequences to a preventable disease. We're starting with a specific example. Inside academia, and then there's the rest of the talk, right? Inside academia, we might be talking about drug treatments no longer working and developing new drugs is too expensive. That's the problem we're solving inside academia. So you see how this is different depending on your audience, right? We also might start this talk inside academia, not with the problem, but with our result. Hey, guess what, everybody? I identified key features of a drug resistance pathway. We have this drug that doesn't work anymore, and I identified the key feature of the pathway, and now I think we're going to be able to reactivate the drug so that it works again. Want to know what the drug is? Want to know what the disease is? Want to know how many people suffer from this? Want to know how bad the suffering is? Great. I got a whole presentation. I want to talk about all that stuff. I want to talk about that. The challenge is to get your audience to want to know the things that you want to talk about and to have a framework to add that to. Okay? So that's what we're trying to do in the content space. In the content space, we're trying to build something people can understand and have questions about. And then the rest of our talk is about answering those questions. And if we do that, we become incredibly engaging because we're triggering questions and then we're answering them. It's really that simple. And because they understand, they're not trying to figure out what we're talking about. They're excited because they understand what we're talking about. They're now along for the journey of learning more and figuring out how they might be able to help. That's what great presentations do. Okay. So that's content.